Okay, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another wound up video. In this one we are going to be unboxing and I'm going to be sharing my first impressions with the Sinn 104. So without any further ado, let's get right into the packaging. Alright, here is the Sinn 104's box. It comes in this black, rather bland box, but I'm sure there's an inner box as well. Alright, and here we have an original Sinn leather band that the AD was nice enough to send with us. And here we have a warranty card from the AD. We have the manual for the watch in question. Alright, and then here we have the box itself. So this is actually a first for me personally, and also a first for the channel. We have never reviewed a Sinn before, and I have never owned or even held a Sinn, so this is going to be very interesting. And now let's get into this box. And there it is. It's actually going too, so that's interesting. We have some tools. I suppose this is for resizing the bracelet. We also have a Sinn branded spring bar tool, so that is nice. Let me just put this cover on. All right, here's the watch itself. Oh, what is this? Thread locking, so I guess this is for making sure the screw threads are secure. And nothing else, maybe? Let me just check. No, that seems to be about it. Now let's get everything out of the way and let's take a closer look at the watch. I have to say, this is looking very nice so far. Just look at that dial and those hands. This is such a nice looking watch. Okay, and now let's just get the wrapping out. Ooh, that is nice. And this is on the so-called H bracelet. Alright, that is nice. Oh yeah, and I actually forgot, we do have a transparent case back too, so that is looking nice. This is the Sellita SW200-1, if I'm not entirely mistaken. Workhorse of a movement. And Sinn has actually customized the movement a bit, and we will get into that more in depth in the final review of this watch. But my first impressions are very positive. This looks great. I think the size of this watch fits its design. It's nicely finished. So yeah, there you guys go, the Sinn 104. I will be reviewing this watch in maybe a week or so, and yeah, so stay tuned for that. If you would like to see that, make sure to subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed this unboxing. Comment down below what you think of the Sinn 104, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.